Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel guys. It means a lot. In today's video we'll be working guys on a Chevy Cruze and we will show you guys where to find the radio, or also known as media control module guys. You have a computer that controls the radio, the media, if you have a GPS or just for the radio antennas, everything is that brain box guys. So stay with us, we'll explain where it's located. It's known as media control module or radio control module. Now, quick introduction guys, we'll have more than 200 videos on Chevy Cruze. Why? Because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel guys and like the videos. Hopefully you will find the information helpful. If you guys need any tools or parts to fix your vehicle guys, check out the link in the description of the video below. You can get everything for super good price, okay, and fast shipping. So let me explain now guys what needs to be done, okay, to get to that part and what needs to be removed in order to get to it. Now, as I said, more than 200 videos will be made on that thing, engine wise, body, taking interior apart, all that stuff. So in today's video guys, I don't want to waste your time, okay, getting to that part. I want to explain what needs to be done, and if you want to see how to get to it guys, we're going to explain now in a second. So in order guys to get to the media control module now, okay, what you need to do, you need to guys remove the center console, the whole assembly. We have the video from start to finish on our channel, so please guys check it out. If you need detailed instruction, it's there, because removing guys that center console, it's not an easy thing, I guarantee you that, but we covered everything from start to finish. Once you guys remove it, okay, you're going to notice right here in front of the shifter guys, okay, you have two clips, one here, one there. Push those down. I need to do both at the same time. Let me see how that's gonna work now. Okay, perfect. And pushing it down guys, pulling it this way. Okay, the cables will be on the back side actually. Is your media control module guys, okay, right there. If you want to disconnect it, all we have to do from the back side, just disconnect the cables and that's where it's located. You can see this is guys the device. Not very complicated, okay, but unfortunately you will have to remove guys the center console to get to it, as you can see, because it's hidden right there. Now, to remove that thing is easy, but replacement guys, okay, you will need to actually go ahead and program it, okay, if you replace it with another one in most cases. I've heard some people that got away without programming. In my opinion, you will have to program it, but always double check before you decide to replace it guys. So that's where it's located. If you need to purchase a new one, we have the link in the description of the video below. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.